There are some people who accuse EVs of being far too dull to look at or far too expensive to buy. But what we've got here is an answer to both of those problems. This is the new BYD Dolphin Surf, and it's a compact electric city car with an equally compact price. Now, you'd be forgiven for thinking that low cost inevitably means low range, but the Dolphin Surf can cover up to 200 miles on a single charge. And that comes courtesy of BYD's Blade battery, which you can have in either a 30 kilowatt hour or a 43.2 kilowatt hour form. As well as having plenty of miles at your disposal, you'll also be turning plenty of heads on every journey, thanks to this unique angular styling. And for maximum funkiness, this vivid lime green paint even comes at no extra cost. But when you do eventually need to recharge, a rapid charging speed of 85 kilowatts means you can top up the battery from 10 to 80% in just half an hour. So low cost doesn't mean sacrificing range or style. So how about power? Well, thanks to the instant acceleration of the electric motors, every version of the Dolphin Surf makes light work of escaping the traffic lights or tricky junctions. This is a compact electric car that's been built for the big city. But neither is the Dolphin Surf afraid of the motorway, with up to 154 brake horsepower on tap, depending on your trim level. With its distinctive design, strong battery range, and a healthy dose of power, perhaps you're now thinking that the BYD Dolphin Surf's low price comes at the cost of quality. Take a step inside and you'll soon see there's no catch to be found in here either. In fact, you'll find all the tech you'd expect from a BYD, including this 10.1-inch rotating touchscreen, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, high BYD voice control, and an advanced driver assistance system. The whole family can enjoy that quality cabin too, as there's plenty of room for four, plus 308 litres of boot space for all their luggage as well. So there's no shortage of things to like about the BYD Dolphin Surf. But what does that low price tag that we keep mentioning actually look like? Well, this fully electric car could be yours from just £18,650. And that figure officially makes this one of the UK's cheapest brand new EVs you can buy.